Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Malibu P has said to me to do the Ridley mukbang. So here it goes. Okay guys, look, I tied up my head, right? Remember I said I was gonna get my hair dyed? Well guys, haven't had the chance, okay? Because I did my mukbang yesterday and now I'm doing it again. Get up, sunfly. Okay, cheers guys. I've got apple juice today. Sometimes it tastes like wine. And there ain't nothing wrong with red wine. Okay. Okay guys, time to eat. Let's eat. Let's dig in. Okay. Oh yeah, look, this is what I've got. I have, this is the crunchy sweet chili. That's my that's my thumbnail. And I've got soya, marinated soya chicken wings, and that's a crunchy sweet chili chicken wings. I don't think it's crunchy anymore, so because I had to bring it home from Ridley. And this is, they said, seasoned roast potatoes. It looks seasoned, but I don't know if it was roasted because it looks boiled. Anyway guys, here you go. You guys have a potato for now. Bit here. Alright, let's dig in. So many don't know what to choose from. Let me try this one. Here, have a bite. Anyway, I'm slowly going into my request book. I'm going to see your photos requests, and I'll slowly start doing them. So I look at it, and depending what I want to eat out of that, I'm going to get it and do your photos mukbang. Okay? I wish these were roasted. Watch it. I want to say a big thank you to you guys that's on my Facebook page. Appreciate it guys. What happened? I went to the shop and I thought I would buy me a hair dye, but then I know I can't even dye. I've done it twice before, and right around the rim of my hairline had black, like paint marks here, paint marks there, and then when you try and wash it off, it's really hard for it to come off. You know, yeah. I didn't bring a bowl to put my bones in. So, I'll try this one now. This looks good. Focus. I'm not going to give up till it's focused. Didn't focus, but never mind, I give up. Alright, that tastes nice. Haven't had these before, and I only knew about these sweet chili ones for my kids because they love it. I haven't seen these ones for a while. They're nice too. You know the problem about these potatoes? The wet ones, you know, inside, a bit wetty. You want those firm ones to make into this. That's really marvelous, chef. Thank you guys for this beautiful food. These are nice though. These crunchy sweets. Okay, I had to bring this up. You've seen it was like a cardboard. I'm telling you. So dark today. I mean, like, no. Look at the way I tied up my hair. It was so black. Not even done properly. This is what happens on bad hair days, guys. My hair. These potatoes. Some of them is like not cooked properly. Readily. Do your food properly, please. This one's so like no, I won't eat that. Anyway, what about this one? Some of the potatoes are cooked. Some of the potatoes raw. Like this one's really raw. Not. You can only bring it now. But couldn't even. Anyway. I should have bought rice, but anyway, these are from Ridley, so I was trying to do a Ridley mukbang, so potato, fat curry right here. And these are beautiful. You get 6 for $5. Very nice. What have you guys got to eat? Huh? Faye. Yeah. Mackerel sauce. Sharing is caring. Can you hear that dog howling? Was it howling yesterday? So, well, so on Mondays it's not here. It only comes babysitting days. Does it come over here and there? Because I don't hear it howling all the time, but today's howling. It wasn't howling yesterday. Nawali made that kaking valley. Kaking valley. I'm going shopping. Hang on. And also, you see clams on the box, right? But I always used to call them pippies, and some people call them cockles. I think the right name for it is cockles, but I like to call them pippies. Yep, pippies. Anyway, I've got the box right, so I'm gonna cook it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cook it, and then I'm gonna make it for my mukbang. Okay? Who wants to see that? Who? Comment down below if you think that's a good idea. You know? You guys can't even see it, eh? Wait. Can you see it now? Was it? Did you even see it? Okay, never mind. Anyway, guys. I thought with a dip sauce. So out. I have to eat one of these potatoes. I should have tried one first, so if I know it's a bit raw, I could cook it a bit more. But guys, when you buy it, you wouldn't think you have to cook it some more. You just bring it and eat it. I ain't no one got time for that. Whenever I drink apple juice, I sometimes think of my uncle. Way back in the 70s. He's a really loving uncle. Okay? And he took me and my two brothers, he just took us that day. It was a Saturday. And then he wanted to shout us something from the shop. So he went and got me and my brothers a packet of chips and apple juice each. Okay? Now, we're so fresh. Fresh from the islands, guys. Fresh like we just landed we've been there like a few months. But we just arrived from the islands. So we don't know. Anyway, our uncle, he got us a packet of chips each and a drink. Okay? Now we went to eat it, and I'll tell you what, so horrible. And then we went to drink our drink because the chip was so horrible. It was horrible as well. Guys, we thought our uncle didn't like us. So you know what we done? We got the chips, chuck it underneath the car, got the drink, pour it underneath the car. It was horrible, and we kept quiet. And then our uncle came in and he looked at the back and he said, he saw some chips outside, but he didn't say anything. And he just said, "Oh, you guys finish?" And some more. "I want my gold chips." And then he was saying something about he's going to go and take us for ice cream. But at that time, we were sort of like put off. Guys, we were fresh from the islands, okay? We've never tasted salt and vinegar before in our lives. Salt and vinegar chips. Now, if you come from the islands and you know, these foods are foreign to you, we're talking about way back in the 70s, you know, and there wasn't much, not like New Zealand, not like Samoa now. Samoa, you can have these kind of stuff and you'll know what these flavors are, but back then we didn't even know, right? We thought our uncle done the baddest thing to us, but no. He would just buy a salt and vinegar chip, and the juice was apple juice. We've never tasted that before in our lives too. I know it tasted horrible. And we had it underneath the car just to try and discard it because we thought, oh, he doesn't love us. We were shocked, like it was a shock. It's a new experience, and it was not a pleasant experience. Anyway, but he was a really good uncle. He's still around back in Auckland. Well, when we moved down to Wellington, we lost touch with him. Yeah. I'll tell you what, he's the first one that took us to the zoo as well. He was such a good uncle. Just a really hands-on uncle, you know. Caring. And I thought, man, he's so good. And he said to my mum, because he was really close with us, and he said to my mum at the station, I remember him saying it. He goes, yeah, nāka wā e ku wā. And then my mum said, you know, it's up to you if you want to come. But it wasn't easy for him to come because his sister was living in Auckland. So, but he was really close with us because he would go out and cook with my dad and that. Never forget him. When you have good aunties and uncles, like, they're the ones that like substitute for your parents. So no one can take over our parents, but when you got good aunties and uncles, they're the next best thing to having, you know, your parent around to keep an eye on you and do things for you. When one guy, this chicken is so delicious. If my camera dies, that's because I had the camera on and I was running around doing everything, preparing. I should have turned on the camera just before the filming. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for accepting my request from my Facebook page. I appreciate you guys. And thank you for all your fun comments, all the time that you take to watch my video. I appreciate you guys. Potato not so bad, but there's some raw. Some people don't mind raw, semi-raw potatoes. Some people don't mind, but me, yeah. Different strokes for different folks. It was really nice. No wonder my kids love it. Hey, my wife, Maribel, thanks for this request. I hope I've done you proud. Sorry about my hair, my hair gear. I have to go to the hair salon, guys. But anyway, cheers. Kia manuia. Yeah, to a faster before. Yeah. Apple juice. Faster before. Api ana me poiaka. Yeah. But for the time being, don't forget, when it dies, I'll really say goodbye. No do I. Take care and keep your foot in your mind. The video, record everything. Do a channel, really well. And go with hashtag Polytube. And get all your family and friends to subscribe to you. Well, when they go, hey, haven't seen you. Like, subscribe. That's the first thing you tell them when you see them. We shake around and stuff like that. Like, did you like and subscribe? And then they start giggling. I want to shout out to my niece Agnes's children. I hope they're still watching my channel. Auntie loves you guys. And my cousin Leo and Rosita, Jeff and Peter, and Peter's partner, the baby. Yeah, I hope you guys are well. Oh, no. And not forgetting Agnes's husband. Hope you're coping well without your wife, your beautiful wife, Agnes. I'm just thinking. When you see me quiet, I'm just thinking my mind's drifting off. Yeah, I saw this thing on Facebook. It said, yeah, I'm talking to myself. I've got to get professional advice. Yeah, it's really considerate when people say, you know, well, I ask you about a subject and then they'll say, what do you think? And I think that's really considerate because they're not just saying it and then chucking it to you, they're asking you, what do you think? And if you got your version to your mindset to add in, you know. But it's nice when someone asks you what you think. Don't just regard us. How dare they if they... No. This is so nice. Okay, guys, you know what? I better go.